Hello, and welcome to our in-depth lesson on what is most important in learning English. When it comes to learning a new language, there are four main macro skills that you need to focus on: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are the skills that will allow you to communicate effectively in any language, and they are all equally important. Let's start with listening. Listening is the foundation of all language skills. If you can't understand spoken English, you will struggle to communicate with native speakers. This is why listening practice is so important. You should listen to as much English as you can, whether it's in the form of music, podcasts, or even TV shows and films. This will help you to develop your listening skills and improve your comprehension of the language. Next is speaking. Once you can understand spoken English, you need to be able to produce the language yourself. This is where speaking practice comes in. You should practice speaking English as much as possible, whether it's through conversation, presentations, or even just talking to yourself. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become with the language and the more confident you will be when communicating with native speakers. Reading is another important skill. It will not only help you to improve your vocabulary and grammar, but also it will help you to understand the structure of sentences and how to use punctuation correctly. Reading English books, newspapers, magazines, and online articles can help you to improve your reading skills and increase your understanding of the language. Finally, writing is an important skill to have. It will help you to improve your grammar and sentence structure, as well as your spelling and punctuation. Writing can be done in many ways, from writing essays, emails, or even messages on social media. Writing will help you to become more comfortable with the language and will help you to communicate more effectively. In conclusion, in order to communicate effectively in English, you need to develop all four macro skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It is important to remember that being very good at only one of these skills will not help you to communicate. All of the skills are equally important, and you need to practice all of them in order to improve your language skills. We hope that this lesson has helped you understand what is most important in learning English and how to develop all four macro skills effectively.